Assalamu alaikum guys. I hope you all will be fine. If you want to build your house and you don't know about staircase details and inside steel reinforcement, so watch this video till the end to know about details of staircase. So the topic is stairs details and reinforcement for residential building. So first of all, what should be the size of stair, angle of stair, width of tread and riser, etc., and inside steel reinforcement. Remember guys, as you can see in this sketch, so the first one, this is the plan of stair. So this is the plan, and this one is the section. This is the section of stair. Okay. So first of all, as I told you, for normal residential building, the width of the stair, as you can see, this is the stair. So the width of the stair should not be less than, for normal residential building, it should not be less than 3 feet. Minimum you can keep up to 3 feet. But remember, keep the width of stair for normal residential building from 3 feet to 4 feet. But normally I am keeping 3 feet and 3 inches, sometimes 3 feet and 6 inches. Okay, so this is for normal residential building, but it should not be less than 3 feet. So this is the minimum. Okay, so it means minimum width is 36 inches. It should not be less than this. So this is the width of the stair for normal residential building. Now guys, come to the riser. Okay, so what is riser? The first one, as you can see in this section, this is called riser. This is riser. So these are risers. Okay, so the riser height should not be more than 7 inches for normal residential building. But I am recommending you, so this is a recommendation, it should not be but I am recommending that you can keep up to 6 inches, or you can say 15 centimeter. So this is for normal residential building. Now come to trade. So the width of the trade, as you can see in this plan, so this is called trade, this one. Okay, so it should not be less than 10 inches. Okay, so this is minimum. This is minimum. It should not be less than 10 inches, but I am recommending you which is 11 inches. So this is for normal residential building. Now guys, here as you can see, this is the plan. Okay, so from the plan you can see in the section dotted lines can show you where you can make the steps. Okay, so these are the details of the staircase. But now come to the landing. As you can see here, landing. So normally the landing length should not be less than the width of the stair or the width of the flight. Okay, so which is 3 feet. So landing is minimum 3 feet, because landing is equal to this landing, as you can see here. Okay, which is equal of this one, sorry. But if the width is 3 feet, so the landing will be 3 feet. If this is 4 feet, so it will be also 4 feet. So this is very important. Now guys, come to the angle of the stair. As you can see, this is the angle between stair waist and sile, or natural surface of sile. Okay, so this angle should not be, or it should be between 25 to 40 degree. Okay, but I am recommending you, if you keep from 30 to 33 degree, that is the best stair for normal residential building. But if you want to construct the staircase inside the hospital where we have the patient, okay, and other people which are also small boys, etc., children, so in that case you can also keep up to from 25 to 30 degree, okay, or angle. So this is very important. Now guys, come to its steel reinforcement details. How you can find the numbers of stairs? As you know guys, so the total height which is up to landing, from the ground level to the landing, so this height should be divided by 7 inches or 6 inches, okay, which one you decided, so divide by that height, okay. So first of all, for example, this is 6 feet or 6 feet, from 6 to 7 feet, so 7 feet should be converted to the inches, then that value should be divided by 7 inches or 6 inches, then you will get the numbers of risers, okay, plus 1. So this is the formula. And if you want to find the trade numbers of trades, so in that case you will subtract the one number, then you will find the total numbers of trades, okay, and total numbers of riser as I discussed before. Now guys, come to its steel reinforcement details. Inside this, for normal residential building, when you want to use the steel reinforcement, so for this in the waist especially, okay, so you can keep the 12 mm die of steel rod for normal residential building with the spacing of 150 mm C/C, or you can say 6 inches, or you can say 15 centimeter. So this is the spacing for normal residential building if you want to use the steel reinforcement, so it should not be more than this, okay. So guys, this is the topic. So for main bars, also for distribution bars, stairs details and steel reinforcement details for normal residential building, size, riser, trade, and also I recommended also the flight. But remember one thing guys, inside the staircase, don't use more than, in one flight, okay, don't use more than 12 numbers of the risers or trade, okay. Don't use more than this because it will be difficult for the normal residential building. So this is also very important. So hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.